impossible.
Okay guys, so we're looking a little hurt right now, but we just woke up. We're gonna go on this little nature walk. So we're gonna sweat, but we're gonna bring these two. Layla's anxious back there. It's a beautiful day. So hopefully we see some crocodiles today.
We did last time.
Well, closer.
Just one, we saw one. So if you follow us on Snapchat, you might have seen it last time, but yeah, now we're going again and hopefully we'll see more crocodiles because we actually didn't go that way. We just went into the trail.
Yeah.
Last time, and then yeah.
There's a different campground. Is that what you want to go to? The campground?
No, just because you know how the trail was that side, and then on that side there was like a crocodile little thing. Yeah, whatever. You guys will see.
And this is Layla's first time.
Yeah. Last time we didn't bring her. Tell them the reason why.
Last time we didn't bring her because where his vet was closer to where it was, so he was the only one in the car. So we were just like, fuck it, let's go see what it looks like.
And then we ended up getting down.
Yeah. We got down, we went around, did a couple mazes that they have there.
Yeah, to familiarize ourselves with it. We will get familiar with it, and then we're gonna bring Layla.
Look at her.
And now we're gonna bring her. Oh yeah, she always does that.
Well, all right.
Maybe.
Here we go. See you guys later. Hey, say bye-bye. The struggle.
So we made it, guys. We're here at the wilderness. Technically, because there's crocodiles here. I'm trying to find one to see so I can show you guys, but I can't really concentrate because these little ones
Are crazy.
Yeah, oh my goodness, like look, like you see me struggling right now. They have no
Hey,
like
ven aquí, ahora mismo.
skills on how to be walked. So yeah, but hold on, I'll show you. Oh babe, that's what I want to do. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see them right there. Oh, kayaking. Yep, look at them. I want to go kayaking, guys. But here's the place. Look how beautiful it is. Oh. There's Layla being annoying because she wants to keep going. Oh, there's more than one. That's nice. Anyways, I don't know if y'all could see the little turtle right there. And then there's 2 more right here. Let's see if I can find any more. Oh, I feel like that's the daddy, and then the mommy and the baby. Oh, look at this one right here. Y'all see it right there? I don't know if y'all can see it, but he's right there. That one's cute. Y'all can see little fishies. Anyway, so we're not gonna go on the trail today. Oh, car coming. Alright, so we're not gonna go on the trail today because we just walked a lot and they're already so tired because this park is so huge. So the trail's usually right here, which is where we went last time. But yeah, like I said, we're not gonna go there today because we're about to take dogs home so they could drink water and shit, and take them to the park later on, and then go I don't know if y'all can hear me because of the wind, but we're gonna go come back next time and just go to the trail to see how Layla does, because she's been anxious this whole time, and every time we go through the little bridge where the crocodiles are, she gets really anxious. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for today, I think, right baby?
Yeah.
Look at these. Y'all excited? Areas here, like there's camping.
All right, well, there's one more place we're gonna go. We're gonna go see the fishing dock, see what that looks like. We went to the campground. That was pretty cute. They had like little cabins and stuff. Did you say that?
I didn't see that.
They had like little cabins and stuff. It was a cute spot. Look at them, they're so tired.
I know.
But now we're gonna go to the fishing section and see what that looks like. Hopefully it's pretty.
I know, because I love fishing, so hopefully I can come here and fish one day, one of these days. I need to get new fishing lines. But there's people walking everywhere right now.
Little Sunday. Let's see how this looks.
We need to get that wind thing, that wind protector.
Yeah.
Oh, you think they have crocodiles here?
Got it. Is this the same spot that we just came from?
Yeah.
No, honey.
Is this the fishing area?
I don't think so. You probably have to go